for the day. Myself Nakshita Gauri with my teammate Vaishnavi Shinde. Today we are here representing our topic Rutu Anusara Trivrit Prayoga. Reference is taken from Charaka Samhita Kalpasthana Shama Trivrit Adhyaya. Now, question comes among 245 drugs of Virechana, why to consider Trivrit only? Here comes into the picture Trivrit Visheshita. Trivrit is of two types, Shama Trivrit and Aruna Trivrit. Now, Aruna Trivrit Mula is considered as the Shrestha among the two. It can be given in Sukumara, Shishav, Vridhya and Mridukoshta Avastha, whereas Shama Trivrit is to be given in Bahudoshana and Krudakoshta Avastha. Trivrit Gunas are Kashaya and Madhura Rasa, Vata Prakopaka, Kapha Pitta Shamaka, Katu Vipaka and Ruksha. Acharya Charaka has mentioned Trivrit along with other specific dravas in specific Ritu.
As mentioned by my partner, Acharya Charaka has mentioned 4 different specific yogas in 4 different ritus. The first ritu is Varsha Ritu. Here Acharya Charaka tells to take Trivrit along with Kutaja, Pippali, Shunthi with Anupana as Madhu and Draksharasa. As in Varsha Ritu, due to Dushtambupana Sevana, there are chances of manifestation of krimi, so as to prevent that krimigna dravyas are advised. The second Ritu is Sharad Ritu. In Sharad Ritu, as there is a prakopa of Pitta, so Acharya Charaka has mentioned Trivrit to be taken along with Shita Viryatmaka dravyas such as Udicha, Chandana, Yashti, Musta, Sharkara, Duralabha, Sathala and Drakshambu as Anupana. The third Ritu is Hemanta Ritu. Here Acharya Charaka has told to consume Trivrit along with Chitraka, Patha, Ajaji, Sarala, Vacha, Swarnakshiri with Ushna Jala. As already there is Shitata in the surroundings, so as to increase the Ushnata and to prevent accumulation of Kapha, Ushna Viryatmaka dravyas are to be taken. The next Ritu is Grishma Ritu. In Grishma Ritu, Acharya Charaka has told to take Trivrit along with Sharkara and Ushna Jala as Anupana. As in Grishma Ritu, there are chances of dehydration, so as to prevent that Sharkara is to be taken. The Samanya Yoga mentioned by Acharya is Trivrit, Trayamana, Hapusa, Satala and Katurohini. This yoga can be taken in all the other ritus. Now, the Sarva Ritu Yoga. Trivrit, Shama, Duralabha, Vatsaka, Hasta Pippali, Nilini, Trifla, Musta, Katuka are to be taken in equal quantity and Churna is to be made. This is taken along with 1 karsha of Sarpi or Mamsarasa. Now the best part of this yoga is there is no need of snehana before taking this yoga. It can be used as Sadhya Virechana.